Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Saurabh and I am from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed diploma in electrical engineering from Government Polytechnic College, Talbat, Leithpur in 2022 with 78% marks. I had joined eVision on September 2022 for online courses and internship program. eVision is one of the best platform to build your future. Here in eVision, we also get opportunity to listen to the interviews of people who have working in MNCs like IBM, Wipro, Infosys, HCL, etc. I have been also selected in HCL with a salary package of 3 lakhs per annum. Here we can learn constantly and get motivated with some of the interview sessions which are held twice per week. I feel lucky for, for taking part in this program. I am thankful to all the eVision team for supporting us thoroughly and constantly. Thank you.